Para sa akin.
More for us.
Sarap nga, no? Kahit ice lang.
Oo.
Yan. Salamat, kuya. Di ba ito na yung moment na gaganon-ganon tayo? Really big is gonna happen.
That's what friends are for.
Kuya, graduation ng pen!
Sinabayan tayo.
Kuya, we love you, kuya. Wish you were here. Physically. Nakikinom rin si kuya. Saan mo sa ngayon?
Ano ba musisisyo ah?
Yung musisita.
Ano
Oo.
Okay.
Nasa screen naman nila yan eh.
Thank you guys for everything. Thank you for accepting my flaws, my weaknesses. Alam nyo na hindi ako magaling talaga sa physical and activities, pero...
Oh yeah.
Pero minit lang sa rin. I did not know. Thank you. Nakakalakay doon sa dulo yan. Ano na?
Last night.
Parang i-exit na tayo lahat mo.
Bye guys!
Ano ko? Ito kayo nangyayari sa'yo.
Oh my God! Kaya sinasaniban ako ng kasamang puwersa. Wait lang. Anyway, I would have not made it this far. Kung hindi kayo yung kasama ko. Special shout out to Ate Joy and Wendy. Anyway, yun. At saka, sabi ko nga kay Kuya, yung magiging quarter life crisis ko in a few years, mas madali ko siyang ma-handle because I've banked on so much experience dito na magagamit ko when that time comes. So thank you guys so much. Super amazing every one of you. Tin and Paco. Oh my gosh. Kayo na yung super little sisters ko dito. Kayo yung I know, hindi man ako close din sa sister ko na nasa Canada ngayon. Kayo yung parang binibigyan ko na lang ng care because I have so much love to give and binibigay ko yun sa inyo. Kayo na yung parang sister ko dito sa loob. And I know hanggang sa labas, kayo yung magiging sister ko. Bigel, kahit na matigas ulo mo, most of the time, just be who you are. No need to fake it, no need to pretend. Wala naman dapat na gumaya ka sa mga idol mo. Okay lang humanga. That's totally okay. Okay yun talaga, good yun. Pero, hindi mo naman kailangan i-imitate na mismo yung character ng ibang tao. Dapat may sarili kang karakter. It's time for you to grow up. Okay? Sorry for everything. I know up until now, hindi tayo in good.
Once in a lifetime.
I know up until now, meron tayong off energies with each other, pero...
Ikaw lang nakakaramdam ako, wala akong off energy. Di ba may kasama sa
pero you're a good person. Charotero. I know, ano naman, okay ka naman eh. Siguro we started off need to learn how to listen. Yun lang. Kevin. My little bro Little K. Thank you. Alam ko, yun nga, sabi mo nga sa akin, I know we'll hang out outside. So, that's one thing I look forward to. It's nice na naging team Wayok ako for a time. Kasi nga, yun nga, kahit paano, nakilala ko kayong team Wayok, Pamo, and everyone. Who else? Kuya Eting, I look up to you. Yun talaga yung relationship nyo ni App. Sana magkaganon din ako relationship sa labas. Yun, Carlo, hindi ko alam kung ano sasabihin ko eh. Sana, siguro kung single si Wendy. Gusto ko siguro si Wendy, baka. Hindi! You're an amazing person. Super, kung anis na sa'yo mong caring ako, 8 times 100 mo yun, that's... Kung gaganon ka.
Alam silang dalawa eh.
Slater.
Wow, dito na.
Yours. Namang speech ka kay Slater. Crush kita nung una.
Wow!
Naging crush kita for a time.
Pero ngayon.
Naging crush kita for a time.
Pero ngayon.
Hindi yun nga, you're a very decent person. Napaka-intelihente mo. Super, yun nga, alam naman namin lahat na you're up there, pero napaka-humble mo. You keep your feet on the ground. And that's one thing na alam ko, each and every one of us hinahangaan. Kasi may ganun kang character, may ganun kang traits sa sarili mo. So, thank you so much. I'm very happy na nakilala kita dito. And minsan nag-uusap tayo ng you can always talk to me, alam mo yan. Any time of the day, any, kung ano man, hanggang sa paglabas. Bye, Ni! You're like my, ikaw yung parang mirror ko eh, kasi kung gaano ako ka-crazy, that's how crazy you are as well. So, we totally, get along perfectly. Yun. Good luck to you and Michaela. I'm sorry, yun nga eh, kasi I'd like to apologize, baka mamaya, baka she takes it on a different way na. Oh, yun. Basta, we're just very, very close. And, yun nga, ikaw pa yung other girl version ko. Parang ganun. I love you. Yan, I love you guys so much. I'm drinking.